So that was a weird episode of Record of Grand Quest War, but man, let's get to it. What up YouTube, it's your boy Anime Specialist. So we got introduced to a few new characters in the show. One of them is the Vampire King. The thing is, he's the only vampire that we see in the episode. We don't see other vampires, so I don't know what's going on here. The other one is the Werewolf Queen. I really liked her, but we'll talk about her further in the video. But compared to the Vampire King, we see other werewolves, so she has a clan. But like I said, I really like her character and her design a lot. Then the other character is the Black Witch. I don't really know what's her motive, but she has something in her head, and I think she will come back. The thing is, we still don't know who is the villain of the story in this series, so I don't know what will be her role, but I guess we'll know in the next few episodes, because I think we are 5 episodes in the series and we still don't have a lot of information about what's happening. That's the thing with this series, they don't give a lot of information. And I think one of the flaws of the show is the pacing. It's going really fast without giving us more information. There's a lot of things that they don't explain. Like Siluka is falling in love with Tio. That doesn't make sense to me. So yeah man, it's all over the place. So I hope it's gonna get better from now on. We got to see some new mages. I don't remember their name, but I guess we'll see them a lot more now since Tio and Siluka are now part of the clan or organization. And finally we get introduced to the 2 daughters of the Werewolf Queen. I guess they're twins because they look a lot alike, but we've seen them in the opening. They're going to be with Tio and Siluka. I don't know why they don't give a reason again, so I guess maybe they'll tell us in the next episode. So like I said, this episode was a little bit weird. I don't know what it did for the story, but I guess they needed this to introduce 2 new characters. They said that the Werewolf Queen clan and the Vampire King had a war in ancient time. I think it was for the chaos like energy. I don't know what really happened, but I think the Werewolf Queen said that it was for peace and harmony in the world. So that I think will be important in the future. The reason that the Black Witch kidnapped the 2 sisters is because the Vampire King told her to, because I guess he wants another war, because he wants the chaos and everything. So because of that, the Werewolf Queen went to save them, and she lost her leg at first to the Black Witch, and then later in the episode she died. I really thought that the Werewolf Queen was going to survive because I really like her character and her character design. I thought she was going to be important in the story like the Vampire King will be, I think. The Black Witch escaped and the 2 sisters were saved. Tio and Siluka had a minor role in this episode. They didn't really do anything. But like I said earlier in the episode, the 2 sisters joined forces with Siluka and Tio for a reason that we don't know yet. That's one of the things that I don't really like in this show, is because they don't explain the reason why they do something often. But yeah, it was an okay episode of Record of Grand Quest War. I think it was the worst of the 5. From now on, I'm going to put a grade on each episode of my reviews. In this episode, I put a 6 out of 10. I already explained why I put a 6 out of 10 along the video, so I won't explain it again. I do Record of Grand Quest War reviews every Friday, so subscribe for that. I do anime reviews and anime news every week, so like, comment, and subscribe for that. Let me know what you thought about this episode in the comments down below, and thank you for watching. Anime Specialist out. Peace.